Hey guys, TFV52 here. I got a present in Christmas. My dad got a trip to come back. I got to show this. Dada ashina. Thomas Mini, my favorite. And the same in my home. Yes. Here's Emily and James, my favorite character. Let's unboxing. Oh, here he is. Emily James is my favorite character. This one's Retailer James Hub here. Same as Emily. And then unboxing of Percy. Wow, it's really cute. Here's water in this paint, and here's looks like a truck. Looks like what's here? And there's a mixture of ashina. Here he is, and this is ashina. This is different. The trackmaster told me. Oh yes, I watched the Great Railway Show. It's my favorite movie. And what is here? Yeah, in the okay. Alright guys, so tomorrow I am loading of the episode. And the next week is Christmas. That's in the December 25 Christmas event and the last of the episode, and in January TFV52 TTE Bigger World Fan Bigger Friends the season 2 to release in the January in the Happy New Year. Yeah. Enjoying. See you next.